All right, welcome to Youbified. This is a web application that should allow you to manage your live streams. Now, it's very simple. You have a button here to create a live stream. You have another button here to fetch what you've created, and you're able to see your live streams right here, right? You can see the date that you create the live stream. You have the live link, which should be the link that you give to your audience so that they can attend your live stream. All right. Maybe it's, a birthday party, something like that. Then here you have a status, which should show whether the stream, that's the live stream event, has begun or is it on or off, right? And then we have actions where we have two options. One, you can attend the event, but you have to attend something that is online. So for instance, not start attending something that's offline because that won't make a lot of sense. And we have the delete button. This one now will track off that particular event from the list and from the database, completely from the face of the earth. That's good. So let's see. Maybe probably we should create one more event. And but wait a minute. So what is this form over here? This form here will allow you to see more details about a particular event that you will select from right here, right? Again, if I want to know more about this form, about this particular event right here, I just need to select it. And you will see here the data for that event auto-filled for this form. So I have the date that it was created. I have the live link, the server key, offline, which is the status that, it's not on. And probably I can change a few things and then update the live stream, right? The things that you probably don't want to change. For instance, you don't want to change your server right here. That one will really mess up with your live stream events. Also don't want to mess up with the server key, because if you mess up the server key, then you basically don't have a live stream event. And that's why I've prevented you from changing this one. I'm trying to click on delete after selecting, but it just simply can't go away, right? But if I come to the date, I can just make it disappear, right? I can change it to maybe 2052 so that I just make sure that no one, even you, could attend the event. Yeah, because okay, 50 is too close. You can say something like 23, and something like 2100, right? It's too far. I hope you're going to be able to attend this event because the budget. Good. So let's create one more event. Then we will try to see how we can have it going online. Good. So I'll click on create. Then I should be able to see that the event has been created successfully. Just say, okay, all right. Then you see this is the event. We had 3, we have 4. Now let's get the details right there. So it's still offline, right? Everything is offline, but we want to put this go online. So how can we have this done? First of all, you will need a video encoding software. As mouthful, but what it means, you need a software that can capture probably your video when you're live streaming, and then encode it to a format that is readable by probably a computer, and then be able to spit it out in a form that a human being can see. That is the point. Now, in this case, we are going to use OBS. Now, OBS is a video encoding software that I have here on my computer. It's free of charge, very powerful, actually. Then I'll just get it on. All right, it's coming up. And I should go to the settings. So you see the settings right there. All right, the settings will start, will give me a menu. It's very slow because I think it's a heavy software, something like that. And for stream, right? And I had live events. Let me clear this one because I don't want to use it anymore, right? So we have the server and the stream key. So here on our application, we can get those details. So you see, server link, server key. Let's copy this. All you need to do is just click, it will be copied for you to the clipboard. And then we head back to, let's head back to OBS, sit right here, have it going. And then let's go back for the key. All right, right here. See, the key is masked. If you want to show it, just click, then you'll be able to see. See, the point is you don't want everyone, looking at your key, because if they have access to your server, you can imagine, right? They can come to your home. I'm just kidding. You can't use it. But it's not cool to show them the key. The key is very important, so you have to kind of hide it and only show it when you want. Like for instance, right now I want to show it, so I copy, but again I don't want to show it, so I go back, see that, right? So let's go back to you just click, then it should be copied, then I have to feed it here. I ingest it. Ingesting, yeah, I think that you ingest it, right? All right, let's get things moving a little bit fast. So you just say apply, and then you say okay. All right, so I'll select this particular screen. It's called source. You go under source, and then, but no, we don't have to go into that. Just select the screen, and then you go back to the application. Not yet. After the key has been accepted, you have to start the streaming, right? Start the streaming right here, very key. So click, don't forget, don't go start talking and then your live stream is not alive. It's not alive. Your live stream is not live. I think that's correct. So first of all, start streaming and make sure that, at least on OBS, you see the green thing actually working now. So let's head back to our application here. Everything is offline, but we want to see that it's online, right? Because we're very sure it's online, right? So let's refresh and make sure that we have at least one that is online. Oh, this one here is online. Remember, it's the one that we picked, all right? All right, good. So once it's online, there are two things that you can do. One of them is you can share. You can copy this link from right here or right here. You just need to click. Okay, if you click like this, it will be copied. And maybe you can, if you wish, you can go to a different tab like this, and then it will load and you will see the event coming on right here. All right. Just give it a moment because it's asking for permission, I think. Everything you need to ask for permission. So right there, but I don't want it to run from right here because we have a functionality that should enable us to have that one, say, running from right here. We don't want to go outside. So you can copy this link, or this link is the same one, and share it probably with your audience so that they can attend your event, right? You want them to attend your event, right? That's correct. Again, you can see the broadcast status is online at the moment. That's good. So let's attend. Click. And right, you can see here it's loading. And then the event should be up. So let's wait a minute or two. And there we go. So you should be able to see a screen capture of the application because it was recording, and remember it's live. Yeah, don't forget that. So you see, this is the screen that was captured. If I play the audio here, Right now, I can hear myself talking. Yeah, it's annoying. So I'll shut it off. And then, all right. So we have attended the event. We have done all those things. So what else can we do? Maybe we should end the event, right? Because what gives? So we end the event. So if you want to end the event, stop on OBS. It takes some time to stop actually, since I clicked was still stop. Hi. Thanks to God, this is not because if this is a kind you applied, you break. It has not yet stopped. I think you'll be on your 11. But stopping anyway. Go back here and refresh to be able to see that it's offline. All right. Oh, not yet. I tell you. So okay, let me try it once more maybe. Okay, that's it. What's happening? I didn't I stop the stream? Yeah, I stopped. So I think right now this is the right moment to check the status. There you go. It's offline, completely offline, right? And if I click, you'll see the data loading here, saying the status is offline, right? Now, good. That's the end of this application. You're able to create, you fetch, delete, basically manage your live streams from one point. And if I try to attend now, of course it will load, but what will happen is that you won't be able, okay, you will see a dark screen with the stream status saying stream offline, right? That is it. So give it a minute or two. It's checking if actually it's on, but then finds it's offline. That is it. So that's all about this application. If you want to have like a closer look at it, you can check on Heroku. It's this link here. I have an article on dev.to where you can actually access the link. There's a database, there's a GitHub repo also that you can visit there and maybe help me fix there's an issue with it. But that's it about this application, and that's the end. Thank you.